Okay guys, today we are going to learn about the next lesson about general physics from Igcse. Okay, next one we are going to learn how to convert from one unit to another unit. And we have here conversion scale table from and to. If we want to change 1 centimeters from 1 centimeters to millimeters, we just have to 1 times 10. So 1 centimeters equals 1 times 10 millimeters. Yeah. And if, for example, if we want to change 7 centimeters to millimeters, we just have to times with 10. So 7 centimeters is 7 times 10, or 70 millimeters. It's not hard, it's so easy. And vice versa, if you want to change from millimeters to centimeters, we just have to divide it by 10. Yeah, if you want to change 1 millimeters to centimeters, we just have to divide it by 10. So 1 millimeters divided by 10 is 0.1 centimeters. So if you want to change 5 millimeters to centimeters, divided by 10, 5 divided by 10, yeah, or 0.5 centimeter. It's not so hard. If you want to change 1 meters into centimeters, we just have to times with 100. So 1 meters is 100 centimeters. And if we want to change from 5 meters into centimeters, we just have to time it with 100. So 5 times 100 is 500 centimeters. And vice versa, if you want to change from 1 centimeters into meters, we just have to divide it by 100. Divided by 100, it's just 0.01 meters. Yeah, it's so easy. We will talk more about it be in another video. Okay, let's move. Now we are going to talk about how to find volume. There are two types of objects. The first object is regular shape object, and the other object is irregular shape object. For the case of regularly shaped object, so the object is regular. Okay, we use the formula from mathematics. We use the formula from math. If the object over here is cube, if you want to find the volume of the cube, you just have to use the formula. This is the length, and this is the width, and this is the height. So if you want to measure the volume of the cube by using the formula, just volume is equal to length times width times height. Yeah, for the volume of the cube. If you want to measure the volume of cylinder over here, we just have to measure the area bottom here. The area bottom here is circle. So the volume of the cylinder is the area bottom here times its height. Some height. So the area of cylinders, we know that if we know the radius of the circle, so the area of the circle is pi times r square times h. So we can easy to find the volume of the regularly shaped object by using the formula of math. Okay. What if the object is not regular or irregularly shaped object, we can find the volume using the measuring cylinder like this. Yeah. For example, if we have an object irregular shape just like this, for example, yeah, see the object, irregular shape object, yeah, we can use the cylinder, measuring cylinder, by measure the condition of before and after. Yeah, before the object is put into the cylinder, we have to fill it with water first. For example, this is the water. And the water, we know that from this picture, is filled until the 50. The water before the object is included is 50 milliliters. Yeah. But after the object is putting down into the measuring cylinder, we will see that this is the object, for example. When the object is inside the measuring cylinder, the water inside the measuring cylinder is go up. You will notice that the water inside the measuring cylinder is go up until, for example, hit the 80 milliliters. Yeah. So after the object inside the measuring cylinder, the water is go up until 8 milliliters. What happened here? We can measure the volume of the object by using the displacement, of the up from the water. Yeah. Or we can measure the volume of the irregularly shaped object by using the displacement of surface of the water. Yeah. You just have to measure the displacement over here. So the displacement of the object of the water is equal to volume of the object. So the displacement is after minus before, volume after minus volume before, and we will find the after is 80 milliliters minus the volume before is 50 milliliters. So the measure or the result of the measurement is 30 milliliters. Yeah. Okay. So the volume of the object is 30 milliliters. Okay, let's talk about measuring interval time. Yeah. We use the example over here by using the analog clock and digital clock. Yeah. Because both of them are the most used clock to measure the interval time. For the first one, we will use the analog clock. Yeah. Let's see over here. I have analog clock before the measurement and after the measurement. Before the measurement, we have inside the clock, it has the long arrow and the small arrow. Yeah. The long arrow is second and the small arrow is minutes. Yeah. Before the measurement, the direction of the second and minutes is 12. But after the measurement, the second and the minutes is changed. So the result of the measurement, the second point into the 1. Yeah. The long arrow pointed into 1. Okay, and the minutes are all pointed into, for example, into 2, yeah, into 2. So the minutes are all direct into 2, yeah. What does it mean? It means that we can measure the interval, we can measure in the interval time by using simply just time before minus time after minus time before, yeah. So the result of the measurement is time before, time after, sorry, minus time before.